And by request, I have a flashing light phenomena video update to share with you guys. Guys, I have a folder that is now back up to 500 that I'm working on. I've shared up to this date nearly 500 examples from all around the world. This map here is of the United States that shows 419 different locations of these flashing lights that are showing up rogue and random. Nobody knows when or where they're going to see them. And when they see them, sometimes they're quite surprised as they've seen the video footage of these lights showing up, flashing all around the world, but they never thought that they would see them until they did. This first video is out of Elko, Nevada from yesterday, less than 24 hours ago, by Billy, who pulled up to a car wash, and what does he see? Dancing lights. Unbelievable. I've also got another video that I'll be sharing here in a couple of days from a car wash, and the lights on the vacuum cleaners are flashing. They have nothing to do with street lights or lights on top of a building. These are the lights that light up the vacuum cleaner where you put the coin in. Those lights were flashing on all of the vacuums. This next video is out of the United Kingdom. It has narration. Here we go.
MrMBB333, this is Batley, West Yorkshire, England. As you can see, these lights are flashing. Yeah, but no other lights around are flashing. Just them. Now normally, now normally it was just that middle one there that were flashing. Now they're all flashing. Bit strange that.
Very strange indeed. Going from the United Kingdom to Trenton, Ontario, this video was taken inside of a young lady's apartment. A mysterious flashing light.
Okay, Mr. MBB, this is inside my apartment. It's April 5th from Trenton, Ontario, Canada. I've never seen this before. Weird.
Never seen it before. Describing it as weird, that's the first time she'd ever encountered anything like that. And going from Canada to Huntsville, Alabama, this video was sent in by Joan H. from 4/12 of 2025. Their TV started malfunctioning. I've seen computers malfunction. I've also seen TVs malfunction. This is like the second or third video I've gotten of televisions malfunctioning. Again, this is very rogue and random. You never know when or where it's going to show up. This next video is out of Rock Hill, South Carolina. It involves an entire city block. Are you serious right now?
Wow. Wow. Oh, man. They got a blank in the whole block, bro. Whole block. Oh, wow. Y'all missed the MBB3. Oh, wow. This is in Rock Hill, South Carolina. A whole bunch of lights blinking. Block. MBB3. Look at this. Oh wow. Oh, that's a whole block now in Rock Hill, South Carolina. Turned around just to get a good look. Yeah, but they're not flashing. Yeah, but they're not flashing. This one is, though. Two of them. Wow. Whole block. Even the ones over there flashing. Oh, wow. Oh, look at this one. I'm going to edit it. Oh, wow. Wow. Rock Hill, South Carolina. I ain't never thought I was gonna see it.
Never thought he was going to see it until he did. And then when he did see it, it was in quite dramatic fashion. An entire city block. He turned his car around to go back and check it out again. Here's another city block out of Long Island, New York. Video footage sent in by Annie from 4/13 of 2025. Less than 48 hours ago. Driving down the road. Much like South Carolina, the lights on both sides of the road flashing for unknown reasons. I mean, this is totally rogue and random. There's no way that this is faulty equipment. They all wouldn't have went faulty at the same time. Something is causing them to malfunction. These flashing lights all around the world are trying to tell us a story. Something is causing them to malfunction. What that something is has yet to be determined, but we're following this very, very closely. Video number 7 out of Akron, Ohio, sent in by Rick. He too didn't think he would ever see it until he did.
All right, so MrMBB33333, we're in the proximity of Akron, Ohio, and I finally found something that I could share with you. So we've got blinking lights. Actually, this one too. So actually the whole lot is flashing. It's still daylight, so it's hard to see, but yeah. So Akron, Ohio, whatever's going on is affecting us here too. Thanks for what you do.
And thank you, Rick, for sharing that video. Right there's an example of an entire parking lot. Lights flashing for unknown reasons, rogue and random, just like the lights we saw that expanded over a city block. This isn't showing any signs of slowing down. If anything, it seems to be intensifying. Here's video number 8 out of Moore, Oklahoma. Karen Factor from less than 24 hours ago. She stepped outside, looked across the street, and noticed a light on her neighbor's house. She had never seen it flash before until last night. I mean, this is getting really weird. I'm working on a video right now that a man sent in of lights that he noticed while driving down the road that turned purple, and they're supposed to be like a normal white light. So if you guys happen to run across any of these freaky flashing lights, this is a phenomenon that is happening all around the world. By all means, grab a video if you can, and I'll put your location on the map, and you can send your videos to reports at MrMBB333.com. If they're too big to attach to the email, come over here to the homepage of the website, look for this red tab that says have a large video. It's a Dropbox. Drag and drop your videos into the Dropbox. Please include your first name, date, and location, and I'll take it from there. Thanks for watching. Have a super day, and be safe out there.